Hi there. Today I'm going to be dyeing my hair. Nothing crazy, it's going to be brown again. It's like a slight red tinge to my hair now, which always ends up happening. And it's definitely got some split ends. So it's been about 6 months since I last did my hair. So it's definitely time to do it again. These are the two colours I'll be using. Just a light ash brown and a dark ash brown. I'm pretty boring, so pretty much the same hair. So first I'm going to straighten it and I shall be back. The butterfly cut, you're supposed to do it wet, I'm pretty sure, but I like to do it dry. I'm going to go from behind the ears, the top of my head, just kind of like the middle. I used to do this really elaborate hair cutting method, but it took way too long. I'm going to cut maybe 2 inches, is that 2 inches? Maybe an inch, I really don't know. I thin out my hair so much sometimes and it's still so thick. Even though my hair's not that thick. It's like on the medium thickness scale, but still so thick. I look like Hagrid. I feel like the fronts come out really nice, but the bottom part's a bit long still. Oh, kind of needs a little bit more of a cut, I think, definitely, right there. Should be a bit better. It's so quick just doing the butterfly cut and then just thinning the crap out of it. But anyways, I shall see you tomorrow when I'm dyeing my hair. It's the next day. I got a headache last night, so I jumped into the bath afterwards and my hair got wet in the bath, so it looks pretty disgusting right now. I gotta find some gloves. I should probably change my shirt. I got some gloves. So I got light ash brown and light intense ash brown. And I think that one's a bit darker, the intense ash brown. So I'm gonna put that on my roots. It's been like 6 months since I did this, so that one on my roots, that one on the ends, mixed with a little bit of the darker one. So I'm gonna put the lighter one with this lighter hair dye brush. Oh, that one's not even open. So I was gonna use the 10 developer, but I might just stick with the 5. Just because they're both light ash browns. I thought I had a darker one. I do have a darker one somewhere. But I'd rather not lighten it with the 10 developer. And this one. This is the other bowl that's just going to go on my roots. Do a little bit of sectioning, but I kind of just mix it all in together in the end. main thing I like most of the time is my roots just being a little bit darker. I've had so many hair colours in my life, and so many different lengths. I used to have really, really long hair, but it did give me lots of headaches. And still, even now, when my hair gets a bit too long, I start getting headaches. The reason I'm putting light brown on my dark brown hair too, I just want to deposit the ash brown colour in there. Don't really want to go much darker. But I already woke up yesterday with a kink in my back. Woke up today with a kink in my neck. It's great, and I haven't done anything. That's probably why. I have my bowls sitting on the edge here. It's probably going to be a disaster soon. I'm going to quickly take my good jeans off and then clean up my hair. Now we're just putting the light brown in with a bit of the intense in there. And these shower caps, I'm going to put 2 on. Looking hot. I'm probably going to leave that in for like an hour, just because I really want it to get in there. I might go paint my nails. So I'm in my PJs, I've just woken up. So I'm just going to style my hair. I might pluck my eyebrows, they're looking pretty crazy. So I put a little bit of makeup on and I've done my hair, put some butterfly clips in there. But I'm pretty happy with it. It is a bit dark, but it definitely will lighten up since it's only a semi-permanent hair dye. I can show you what it looks like without the butterfly clips. Just opened up. I just moved the shower curtains too, just so you can see it's still brown. Even though it looks black in any sort of shade. But yeah, still a bit of brown to it, and it will definitely fade to a lighter brown, which I prefer, but I'm going to enjoy the darkness for a little bit. It's a little bit frizzy. It always is the day after I cut and dye it. It's always a little bit frizzy. I don't know why. There is the full finished hair. I'm pretty happy with it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.